Hi, so today I'm going to be doing a little bit of sweeping with my sanitary, and then I'm going to go over with my shark over there because it has a good broom line. So this is you all know this is a pretty basic commercial vacuum. Let's just get started. I also ordered a bunch of belts because, well, the belts break so easily. And just because I'm going to show you how they break easily. You probably already know this, but I'm going to show you anyway. Okay. So I take out these prongs here. You can take off the entire metal hood, and this is the belt. So it powers the brush roll and the motor. So whenever you take up some dirt, it goes through the motor, goes through this little motor right here, and past the belt, and it snaps really easily sometimes. So whenever you pick up some big, heavy stuff, which it should handle, but the belts are so cheap it doesn't really handle it well. It handles it for my vacuum cleaner where I got these belts from, but other vacuums I've seen it not work. So let's just get started. So, it's a pretty basic commercial vacuum. Of course, the brush bar does not turn off, but now we're going to go over it with the shark. I'm plug in the shark, plug the sanitary, and plug in the shark. Plug in the shark. Now this shark is it's a nice vacuum. At the same time, I don't like it because it says no loss of suction on the box, but if you read right here, it says loss of suction may occur if you don't clean it up, which I cleaned it yesterday because it was getting a little clogged. And I've tested it before, and that is a true statement that it will lose suction because it's lost suction before, and I had to clean the filter, replace it. Now, a different story for Dyson. Dysons never lose suction because it's got the cyclones. I never wash the filters on the Dyson or hose them off with the compressor or whatever. I never do that because it's true. They never lose suction. This does have the 0M. Oh, that's the back. Alright. So, I'm going to go on the middle. This is bare floor, but the brush spins just a little bit, if you can see. See how it spins a little bit? Yeah, it's hot. Now, at my other house, I have dogs. So, what's in this bin wasn't from the carpet. That's from last week when I had my dogs. Because I have two houses. One has dogs, one doesn't. I'm at the house with no dogs. My mom has the dogs. My dad doesn't want a dog, actually. He hates having pets. But that's gonna happen, so pet hair gets everywhere. And then my dad really doesn't like when I bring over the vacuums because he knows that it's been through the house with the dogs. and he thinks it tracks the fleas, but my dogs do not have fleas. But that's it, so I'll see you guys some other time. Bye.